day was the day I met my opponent. He is very strong and tough. I have been trying to defeat him for a long time, but I always lost. He is my toughest opponent that I have ever faced. In fact, he knows all my moves, so it's hard for me to beat him. Even since childhood, we have always competed, and again he beat me. Desperate and disappointed with myself. How can I become a winner? I have to practice, and I have to believe in myself that one day I will beat him. Perseverance and hard work will pay off. I believe that, until finally I realized that to be a true winner, it's not just him that I have to beat, but it is myself that I must defeat. That to be better, a winner must be able to master himself. To be better, I chose to forgive him.